Right, guys, Eddie of Fliptronics, and I'm going to be going over how to earn interest on BlockFi in 2021 for beginners. Now, I do want to get this out of the way. BlockFi is awesome for a lot of different reasons. Also, as I'm going over this, if you guys could smash like button on this video, I would definitely appreciate it. All right, so I've got my account pulled up. It's got almost 1,300 bucks in it. You know, actually I had more in it, but I think Ethereum went down a little bit because most of my money is in Ethereum here. Now, you can see that there's a couple different tabs on the main page here. You've got total interest paid and then accrued interest. Now, I'm going to talk about these specifically in a second, but I just want to show you what I'm currently holding. Now, I do own a little bit of Bitcoin. I have Ethereum, which is like my main holding, and I've also got some Chainlink. Now, the thing you gotta understand about BlockFi, there's two different ways you can make money. You can just buy certain cryptocurrencies. The ones that they have listed are basically Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Chainlink, Pax Gold, and they have different interest rates. Now, once you buy these coins, BlockFi is gonna pay you an interest payment every single month at the end of the month in the coin you have, or you can actually have the interest payments set to cash. So it's almost like these dividend payments that you just collect every single month for doing nothing. Now, the nice thing is you also get, the compound interest if the coins are going to go up in value, which I think we all know they are at this point, especially Ethereum. I really do believe that that one's going to go up quite a bit, over like the next year or two, even 5 years down the road. Not financial advice, but, it's just my opinion. Now, I do want to go over more of the interest rates because they do actually change a little bit based on how many coins that you're holding of like Ethereum or Bitcoin. So let's take a quick look at that. Also, as I'm going over BlockFi, if you guys do want to get started here, I'll throw some bonus and sign up links in both the description and comments. Now, what you have to understand is there are some different tiers. So if you have over 15 Ethereum, you're going to be at a lower interest rate, which is like 2%. Same thing with Bitcoin. However, Chainlink, there is no minimum. So, I mean, you could have, 10,000 coins of Chainlink and still be paid the percentage that they give you. So it's pretty cool. But even though the Ethereum drops to like 2% when you have like a ton of it, this is still paid out every single month. So it's like free money basically, because you're not really doing anything here. You're just getting these payments. And, if you're holding, any of these coins anywhere else, it just makes sense to probably put them into BlockFi so you can get some of these payments. Now, they also do crypto-backed loans, which I've got pulled up right now. The loan feature is really nice. You can actually borrow money, but you have to be holding a certain amount, of Ethereum or Bitcoin based on your loan amount. This is something that I haven't got into yet because I don't have enough money in my account really to even think about it. Once I put around like 10,000 bucks in here, that's probably when I'm gonna, probably at least look at, the crypto-backed loans because the interest rates are really low. It's like 4.5%. Anyways, guys, that's basically it. Kind of like a little bit of an introduction using BlockFi. I'm going to be posting updates just to show you how my account's going to be growing over the coming months. But like I said, it's awesome. I definitely recommend getting some of that, passive income on here if you're holding Ethereum or Bitcoin, Chainlink or Litecoin on some other exchanges. All right, please smash the like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next crypto video.